Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can use magnification feature in your OnePlus device. If you want to zoom any of the article on Chrome or Google, if you want to just zoom anything in your phone, you can with this feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe down, go to settings, and here it is, additional settings. Click on accessibility, click on vision, and friends, here it is the magnification. You have to simply turn on this shortcut and it creates a pink sign. You can see this. If you want to zoom anything, you have to just tap on it. You can see this green line shows that is activated. You have to just take two fingers, double tap this, and friends, this is how you can zoom anything in your phone. Also you can use this feature like this. This is how you can zoom and zoom out. And if you want to just change this feature, then you have to just simply press back or do this and it will be removed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.